Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel once again. And today we are going to learn that how you can send push notification to a particular user or a lot of user. So, as you know that we are working on a social media project and the project is live. If you want to check out our project, then you can check the link in the description. So, coming to the point that we were trying to implement a push notification. Let's say if this is a view profile page of others. As you can see that we have created a lot of pages and all the pages works correctly, and this is the view profile page of others. We also have implemented follow and unfollow feature. If you want to check it out, then we have already made a video on it. Now if I click on the follow button, then the user should get a notification that that user with this name is following you, like started following you. So how can you do that? This is a push notification system. This is automatic, and this really works well for Firebase and Flutterflow. So this is our follow button. So if the user is clicking on the follow button, then a notification should be triggered. So click as you can see, on click we already have two options because we are updating the authenticated users following list and the other users followers list, because the other user will gain a new follower and my following list will gain one following. So as you can see that in the scaffold we have taken the users data document from reference users and the users data that is passed from page parameter. You can use any user's data or any user, because we need that data that to whom we are sending the notification. So on click the follow button. If we are clicking on the follow button, then we will add a push notification. So we have not enabled it. So what's this saying? Enable push notification in app setting. Here we have push notification option, enable push notification and deploy. I think deploy takes some time. Automatically prompt users for permission. This happens because when when the user is opening the application, then it automatically asks for permission if we can send notification to them or not. So not deploy error, your Firebase project on the Blaze Pan in order to. So our Firebase project should be in the Blaze Pan, Blaze Plan. So that's mean that you have to upgrade your project. This push notification can't be triggered or deployed if you are having a free tier. So we will upgrade the tier later, but let's see that the logic how to do this. Our Firestore indexes is out of date. We will redeploy it. We are getting another error. Okay, this is the action configuration. On click the follow button. Here is the recipient option. So this is a single recipient because we are following only one person at a time. You can also select multiple recipient, like if you are creating a group messaging system, then you can use multiple recipients and all the members of the group will receive the message that you will send in the group. So use single recipient, and we already have added document reference in the scaffold. So use the document reference. Notification title will be our name that is authenticated user's display name, and we should add a default variable value. So social media user, and the notification text, this will be the notification title, like this is the display name of mine. Like if my name is Naruto, then this will be show that Naruto, and the notification text will be started following you. So the total text will be Naruto started following you. And the notification image, you can add notification image, that is authenticated user's photo URL. And you can understand that if I have a profile photo, then the profile photo also will be sent as a notification. So deliver sound, if you can choose if the user will get a delivered sound when the notification is delivered, or this will be a silent notification, like Instagram provides option in the messaging system. Behavior on tap, that field is required. This field says when the user will click on the notification, then to the which page the user should be redirected to. So we will redirect to the user to actually we will redirect user to their a notification page, but we have not created a notification page till now. So we will redirect the user to the followers page, like followers page, and the passing parameter will be authenticated user reference. So if you don't know that from where the passing parameters system is coming, then you have to watch our previous videos, because we have explained everything in those videos. So if you are having problem to understand all of these logics, then please check out our last few videos. So that's it. If you work this, if you do this, then you will see that actually it will work. And make sure that you are not using the web. If you are using website, then you will not get any type of notification. If someone is following you from any of the websites, then you will get a notification. If you are using a mobile application, but someone is using mobile application started following you, but you are using website, then you will not get any type of notification. Push notifications only work if you have installed this application in your mobile phone. And this error that you are getting, Firebase function not display for push notification, this is not deploying, because you have to open your Flutter for project from the browser, and you have to deploy it. And also make sure that you have your Firebase project in the pay-as-you-go plan, like upgrade the project to use this functionality. Firebase doesn't provide any type of push notification system or feature for the free tiers or free plans. It will not cost any pennies, so it is free, but you have to put your bank account, or like you have to create a billing account system in your Firebase project to make sure that you are authenticated user and you are not scammed. Like, so Firebase verifies the user for and the features. So that's it guys, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.